God bless y'all. It's a cop. Yeah. Ones that love me the most, they never seen me. So you tell me what that mean. Make a slick comment, get clap on stream. Business again, so see where it change. Got dreams, don't get imitate things. Solomon, they get to see his things. I don't like famous, but they expect things. They don't got patience like a AMD. They don't meet, but they pay their fee. But when it won't step it, then they grab it as shit. You never fall back, just don't go fast, G. I made a lot of money in heaven overreacting. Made a lot of money in heaven to be distracted. A lot of people in heaven always acting. Know the answer to their question, but they still go ask me. They love me less, yeah. I ain't doing shit, they living in my shadow. How you getting back, but you ain't giving value. Bring the fuel and they tell them really give you fire. Child, why your money you sit on the nine? I'ma get my bucket secret if they fire. Look at where my kids were doing mad. Know me to the boys, I come back with a smile. I'm off and overlook, but that's so good for battle. Remember when they told me gotta give for business. Black and smiling, I hunt her barely. She bad as fuck, we're talking, that's a family. Ain't go to church, but the Lord is always with me. Hey, I hit South Beach and I like that freedom. Hit LA, get the check, they're leaving. I'm up 6 a.m. Yes, son, skinny, check the play, I stream it. Please don't play with your boy. Seen some things that can break the divorce. I made one thing when I made me a choice. I'm gonna live in peace and I ain't fear anymore. Hey, red boy, but I got big dreams. Inshallah, I kill him out of me. I tell him I have a I'ma buy anything. I told him she's skilled when she asked for property. I don't love the money, I won't even charge a fee. But you can pay a little if you watch a lot for me. I got a couple killers and they down to run for me. They own a couple bidders, they won't even charge a fee. How you motherfuckers play about me? Making more money than playing for South Beach. Wake up in the lane, I trade the Wall Street. Hey, when they complain, they get the cold feet. Always in the game, my OG was waiting to make it to 7 go and bite things. They was hating, I'm taking, I know they didn't like me. Couldn't take it, was waiting, but money wasn't night reach. I'ma take it, I'm patient, you know that it was timing. Got any payments and statements to get my shit right then. Cause attention and waiting, the reason you declining. Meditation and praise, the reason we're not rising. One comes up and one comes down. Started with one, but the shit come back. We was looking dumb, but we look good now. Once she hit me up, she gon' Google me. Ones that love me the most, they never seen me. So you tell me what that mean. Make a slick comment, get clap on stream. This is a game, this is see where it tends. Got dreams, don't they implicate things. Solomon David get to see his things. I don't like favors, boy, they expect things. They don't got patience like the bad MP. It's a tough baby. Amen. Amen. It's a cop, baby. 2020. God bless y'all. Yeah. They say I'm different, I fought with some change. 1,000% is a regular day. Doesn't that hate me some regular shade? Spitting that knowledge from back in the day. I know I make 'em feel some type of way. Skimming my money, get out of my way. Lately you see that I'm done with the games. Fit to my mat and I broke out the chains. They say I'm different, I fought with some change. 1,000% is a regular day. Doesn't that hate me some regular shade? Spitting that knowledge from back in the day. I know I make 'em feel some type of way. Skimming my money, get out of my way. Lately you see that I'm done with the games. Picked up my mat and I broke out the chains. It lifted me up, I'm holding it down. Pass it around, started with nothing but went for the land. They said I'm crazy, but that was the plan. Mama, she raised me one hell of a man. She said don't get it if you won't get back. I gonna ask you what you did with that. I know we smiling, but he looking down. They think I'm crazy, but I think they boring. Remember the days that I couldn't afford it, so I got some dollars, I had to go flaunt it. No wonder I lost it, but I kept on seeking it, I kept on calling. So now when I'm eating, I'm no longer starving. I shoot like I'm Harden, but pass it like Stockton. Got money like Wall Street, but loving like Gandhi. Ay, you could keep your head on grade, I'm chillin'. I ain't hop up in the raid till I say, made a play on the building. I can play with your feelings, throw 100 in your face. Everything 6 digits, 10 to 5 to a 50, but I ain't a magician, but you saw it on the net. Now I'm talking my positions like the video was hitting to the quad car switching, made 1,000 off a play. Watching Facebook, me it's like they say I'm different, I fought with some change. 1,000% is a regular day. 1,000 that hate me some regular shade. Spitting that knowledge from back in the day. I know I make 'em feel some type of way. Skimming my money, get out of my way. Lately you see that I'm done with the games. Fit in my mat and I broke out the chains. They say I'm different, I fought with some change. 1,000% is a regular day. 1,000 that hate me some regular shade. Spitting that knowledge from back in the day. I know I make 'em feel some type of way. Skimming my money, get out of my way. Lately you see that I'm done with the games. Picked up my mat and I broke out the chains. 60 for growth, 40 for slow. Step in the mode, heavy vest Spotify, I think they go higher and higher, so I'm buying slow. I don't like if it is below 4. Got me beyond cause it didn't take scrolls. I bought into Disney cause Frozen was dope, it's really that simple, I've done this before. I kept it simple so they thought it's stupid. I'd rather do that cause nothing feel more clueless. They wasting their time trying to decide while I do it. But do what you doing, my talking is fluent. Your talking is stupid, I'm teaching some game, but your attitude true it. They judging like Judy, they rate me like booties. They trading like movies, but paying to do it. Stay up in your lane, I'll train, I'll kill it. Don't make me get your case, my name ain't shit. I can buy this shit for change, watch it change to a man. You ain't gotta see my face, cause the plays make millions. I ain't do this in a day, but I wasn't that patient. Started with a long turn, hit a play, I take. Every time I bet it out, confident the market take it. Then I play the spot on my own, then I started banking. Call, baby. God bless ya.
Benny, you bullish, but baby, I'm not from Chicago. Heard me talking about Ivy and dripping in bad. They thought that I came from the hospital. No, I just came back from trading. Just to the sun, no vacations. I'm really not trying to be flagrant when I tell you that most of my calls will be naked. Funny when I make a bad play, I get a standing ovation. It's like I'm addicted to antibiotics to try to get rid of this clap. But fuck it, I always come back in the AM to the GG. What's that stand for? I am not a drug dealer, I'm a landlord. On my Tennessee the roof, that Mercedes-Benz don't need one. I went from Belly to Bel Air, from the slums to the Ville to the top of the hill to a street where you can't park a car without a parking pass. I'm trying to chill with my boys in the island off the coast, bar hopping like it's Alcatraz. Watching make moves like a salsa class. Plus I got so many bars like the women in church. I already know you can't handle it. You ain't making moves, you a mannequin. You ain't got that flame, that candlestick.
They ain't got that flame. Tell them it's a cult, not a game. Walk through the mud and the rain, just bring a little hope to the people in pain. I don't want lies, I want honesty. Negative vibes bother me. Stay up on your grind until you make it out of poverty. You ready? I'm ready. Let's get it, my bag on heavy. I'm zoom to the Fetty. My pockets look full, not empty. You loaded, I'm loaded. We never gon' fold, you know it. That's fast right there, go quote it. It's coke, we goated. Different level, it's level, untold. They watching, we popping like options. You know, it's real, it's really real. Like philo time. Cause you can't help but make a meal if your people blind. Restless, cause I've been up grinding, I just want the Lexus. Cooking up like I'm making breakfast. While I'm eating good, but you know I had to bless it. Looked inside the mirror, told my demons hit the exit.
That was Benny, that was level. Fuck the demons, fuck the devil. Throw the pebble, be successful. You can't tell me code ain't special. I got rich, I made a stencil like a chair.
Can you be able to hear me?
The framework is intellectual. Like curry on the chain, my brother, you know wait. I know you know name, you ain't never seen my face. Probably watch us in the game, did it with a couple plays. Let me kick a little lesson, you ain't never get a chase. What's yours, you always get what I'm really trying to say. Longer that you want the stock, more that's getting safe. You ain't like the shit I say, I ain't trying to make you stay. Hey, I'm hitting plays, I'm hitting waste. Your portfolio all day, mine's filled with mostly grace. Apple, Amazon, and Facebook. You probably know the names, you probably thought that you should wait, then went and bought a course to trade. Benny, get some clothes and buy to close this shit. Clap them if they talking on some hopeless shit. Cause I've been there and going back. I told y'all that I'm focusing. I know they getting mad. The news is fair as well as motivated. Let's go and a shout out to the vets. Hit the players, then we sending in the jets. Don't be shy, you could send a pray request. And the list got everything you missed. Love y'all, baby. It's a cup. 2020. Talk to me in 2030.
You know what it is, baby. Cold music, 2020. We coming, watch out. On the radar. Tell them I just want the Lexus. We out here making moves, baby. Let's go.
Yo, screw your chorus and your hook. I feel like Jordan with the books. I'm more like Soros with the puts. I open doors, I use my foot. I thank the Lord we doing good. I use the sword like it's my words. And 9 to 5 ain't what I'm worth. I go define my life in verbs. Yeah, I let the action show the work. You know I know them contracts worth. I know you know I do research. I'm about to blow, some might get hurt, but I was told that it's my turn. Come watch the growth and how I learned. I hope you do the same in turn. Yeah, stack it up, 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 bitch. Low with the interest, I pound it up, don't wanna spin. Talking my friends, only got one, his name is Ben. Love politics, legit presidents, need places to live, I got some for rent. Hey, talk shit, little bitch, consume me. Start shit, play the game like 2-3. Options, man, trades off news feed. Do less, complain more, do it. Some people hate the movement, they mad cause they can't do it. Too cool for plans and schooling. her waistband, that amusing. Got some tools, but they won't use them. Moving, I got shit to do. Then tuning, substitute your former schooling, disrupting the institution. They keep asking what I'm doing. Going, Gandhi, I'm not human. Love my people more than fuming. Hate the evil, that's confusing. Yeah, screw the technicals you trade. I feel like Curry on the chain, or more like Burry in a way. Not in a hurry, I'ma wait. I turn my time into a bank, you turned your time into a waste. Yeah, I use my mind to create great. I redefined a different way. I read them filings to make plays. They vilified, I hide my face, but undermine the things I gave. And that's all fine and that's okay, because I know my God is great. Besides, you should see just what I make. He's so...
And I've been chillin', watching the ocean with you, baby.
Chad, baby, how are you guys doing this Tuesday afternoon? Alright, we were just sorting out a little bit of the camera change here. You guys know we are on a whole new little system, yeah, so things just need a little bit to go there. But yeah, we are back in action, and as a little surprise, we got Mr. Prop Firm Killer Bonang in the building. How are you today, my brother?
I'm good. How are you, Kicks? How are you doing?
I'm doing great, my brother. But Chad, before we get into anything, it is also Big B's birthday. Bonang, happy birthday, my brother. I hope it is many blessings. It is filled with love and enjoyment, and I know you're going to catch many pips. But from myself and from the Chad, we wish you nothing but the best and a very happy birthday.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate Kicks. Thank you, Chad, and everyone on stream.
There we go, guys. All right. So with you knowing it is Bonang's birthday, you can sure as hell know we are going to have a good day on stream today. We are going to make sure we gift this man with lots and lots of pips here today. So we at least can make sure he's looked after until we see him again. But Chad, without further ado, we are going to get right into it. And then to open us up, I'm going to give over to my main man, no one else better. But can you open us up with a prayer, my brother?
All right, thank you so much. Let us pray. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit, Lord, we thank you for this day. We thank you for this hour. This is the day that you have made, my Lord. We come into your holy presence, Father. Lord, this is the day that I came on earth. Lord, I pray that this day does not become a curse, but a blessing, both in my life and everyone connected to me, in the name of Jesus Christ. Lord, I also pray for the 2Gs. May we grow beyond human imagination. Lord, eyes, ears have not seen, nor the head what the Lord has prepared for us in the table. Father, we pray that you bless this day today. May the stream move smoothly. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
Amen. Beautiful stuff there, my brother.
Thank
Chad,
you.
drop an amen if you're in agreement here. And let's get this ball rolling. It's going to be good, yeah. I think, Chad, what we're going to do is, I'm normally quite quick. I'm going to basically just do the fundamental chat, just where we can look over quickly. And then after that, I'm actually going to give it to Bonang to do his analysis first, and then I'll get into mine. But just the fundamentals first up. Pretty much a whole bunch of red folders. We said the whole week. It is NFP week, so there's a lot you can expect. But for this session on the dollar, we got Jolt's job openings. They are expecting a bit of a drop there from a 17.19 million to a 7.11 million. So we'll see what happens there. But after that, there's pretty much none of these yellow folders really matter to us. So that is just at 4 o'clock, half an hour after market open. We are going to see what volume this can bring for us. But Chad, there's everything over there for now. I'm going to give over to Bonang, and then we'll get into my analysis afterwards.
Thank you so much. All right, Chad, let's see 2Gs, and then we take it from there. I hope everyone is doing well, and I hope you guys have been enjoying yourself. What's the date today? Date 3 June. All right, yeah. 3 June. All right, thank you so much. Okay, with me here, I'm currently typing my key zones. Because remember, I was not in office. I was just streaming. I was just trading from my device wherever I was on a Friday, and then on a Monday. Things have been just as smooth as they were. But I'm looking for buys actually today. That though one would say those buys are a little bit gone. But let's just quickly type I don't know, Kicks, if you can do the analysis, and then while I'm typing my key zones, so that whenever I come here, I just show people the zones. Is it okay?
Yeah, no stress.
Yeah,
All
yeah,
right,
yeah. Thank you.
Chad.
Thank you.
Okay, so let's get into mine quickly there for you guys. Let's start off with the dollar. So, what are we looking for here on the dollar, guys? Very, very simple from my side. I am still bearish. I said to you guys I'm going to be bearish, and nothing has changed there. Yes, this candle is looking quite bullish for us. You got a little bit of a niblet of a bottom wick, but we did take out those lows, and from this point I want to see volume coming in. At the end of the day, for me, this candle trading bullish, all this is you can see here the lows, all of this here, it's just becoming a retest. If this thing can turn around and go bearish, trust me, this thing's going to go downtown. At the end of the day, this can't even be the case here, because even if this had to close where it is, for example, now, or even if it pulls back under here and closes something like this, we need to see what the next day after breaking back, does it hold the support to continue bullish, or does this be a little bit of a fake out and then continue? But I'm definitely still on the bearish side. So even when we look at all this over here happening, I'm still leaning bearish. This hasn't turned me around, hasn't changed my ideas there at all on what I'm thinking for the dollar. When we drop down to the lower time frames, we can also see we literally been trading one way this morning. So Asia lows, previous day low, previous weekly low, Asia highs, the EQ now at the daily R1. So if we break back in here, you can see previous weekly low needs a retest, previous daily low retest, Asia lows retest. So there's a lot of reasons for dollar to continue downwards, and once it keeps breaking all these levels, you can sure as hell know there's gonna be a lot of volume coming in there. Going over to NASDAQ, we again still neutral, guys. There is the chance of a bullish move, but again, as you said, you guys, we are being neutral. Only reason is I want to see what happens here. If this candle can turn bullish, nice bottom wick. If this can go bullish, I want to see this move come in. But you guys know what's going to happen here. You know what I'm going to say. Big thing for me is we're going to see what happens. Firstly, bodily highs. This 4 hour would have to close. If this 4 hour is going to go bullish, I think we can get something like this over here with NASDAQ. But on the other hand, we just want to watch, same thing as I always said to you guys, previous daily high. Because if we break and we do something like this and then we come back and close, I can see that bearish move coming right back at you. But otherwise, if we can break here, hold above here, even if we consolidate, but we hold these areas and then that re-break, that's where we want to see that volume come in. So we'll just monitor NASDAQ. US30, again, very similar outlook. We did close bullish, not really taking out some highs, but we did turn bullish. So had it that retest. We said yesterday, the monthly pivot is what we wanted to take note of. All right, so we came down, we tested the monthly, now we are back above the weekly. So US30 does actually look that a little bit more better for me for the bullish move, because very similar to, as I was saying to you guys yesterday, if we take out these lows, you think of this as your liquidity move, trading bullish. You now had the test of a weekly pivot, your monthly pivot, sorry, we at the weekly where you had a nice bullish engulfing, pulled back into a bearish move, you are consolidating, holding there, so nothing's been confirmed. And now this big move can break, taking previous daily highs, and see that volume really coming to the top side. So you just want to monitor that. But again, I must say the bullish move on US30 does look a little bit cleaner and neater for me. But the same thing still lies there. I want to see Asia highs, previous daily high, and this is the area. Volume can either come in and redrive to break and go bullish. Otherwise, if it gets a reversal, something like this, then those sales are definitely on. Then lastly, with gold. Gold is the interesting one here for me, guys. Now I can actually go very much neutral here. Now the reason being is because this is the first time you guys can see here we did break above. Now we didn't go get that 3400, which I still believe if we go bullish definitely is a target. But what makes it a little bit neutral is the fact we took out a previous daily high, similar to what Chris said this morning, traded bearish, but now on that bearish move we've hit that area of support. Now you'll see every time we got past here, we got through it and we traded very high. When we came back down, we obviously had that bearish move. So if we trade bearish, this can be the pull over there. But the big thing is, if this does look to hold like we are getting now, this 4 hour can close, showing some type of move here, that could be the chance that if this thing closes here above Asia lows, we could still see another bullish move. Because all this was that natural pullback, hold this level of support, which we've seen how this is a key area for gold, and then trade bullish. But if we do fail here, I do believe then we can get that sell. So I really want to monitor this is the whole level here, this little gray block, this zone, Asia lows, previous weekly high, daily pivot. You can see there's a lot of key area things around here. If once we can break away, either going bullish or break away going bearish, that's how I'm going to look to get involved in this trade and see what is happening. But Chad, that is everything from me. Over to you, Bonang. Are you done there?
Hey, yeah, I'm done. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone. Yeah, somebody saying Not me asking for the date on my birthday. Yeah. Get very busy sometimes. The calendar, we can't really trace it very well. All right. Anyway, I believe that everyone is well and we are good. I'm just typing my today's target on US30 and then we take it from there before the opening. All right. Basically this is it. Let me just do it quickly. I'm done, guys. Just a minute. I'm just going to show you how I see these things and how I see the market today. All right. So basically where the market is currently seated is in a position of, right. One would say this is my zone. One would say this year, according to the mathematics and according to today's market, this year is my support, and the market really tapped that zone here. From there, the market started to push all the way up. And looking at how the market has been moving today, the market has not really reached my target. So buying US30 is going to be key this opening all the way to my target. If one can afford any form of one would say any form of fluctuation where the market is currently seated, one would actually buy, targeting that zone there, and then keeping on holding, looking at the fact that one, we have a high take profit that was not reached right on the 28th. That is 43,084. So from there, the market is likely going to shoot all the way up. Let me just put it this way: from where the market is currently seated, that's a PRV, which is a previous close. So I'm expecting the market to push with more pressure from that level all the way to that zone there. So basically, if this market here today comes up with good volume, guys, we are going to enjoy ourselves here. However, I don't like the pressure that this market does not have going to the up, but has when going down. So down, sellers are trying to push this market all the way from that day, which was on the 29th, and we're seeing this market coming up with some serious pressures all the way to the down. And then yesterday we saw some good pushes all the way up, and then we hit our TP as well on Friday as well. That's the thing. And then now, looking at the fact how the market is currently situated right now, I am expecting this market to push actually from where it is, just to fulfill at least my target. In fact, if this market doesn't go beyond this level, then I'll be enough. Now, with the kind of structure and the way the market is right now, I think risk-reward ratio does not really allow. I mean, look at that. The reward is lesser than the stop loss itself. So one would want to wait and see how the market behaves. And then from there, if this market drops to this level, then we can start to shoot up with buying, right? So if this market does not then go down, guys, we just have to watch it and see how this market goes. If the market breaks that high and pushes all the way up, then we know very well that we are going to enjoy something. But for now, let's just watch how this market is going to behave in that area. I wouldn't want to take this kind of a trade looking at how the distance is like. I usually want to take market that gives me more take profit levels or wider take profit levels than the less one, but it's worth the risking of it. So the market execution, I am going to enter my trade right now, and then I'll put my stop loss as tight as possible, right? So at this point of time, I'll put my stop loss as tight as possible. Basically, that's how I am. Thank you so much. I think I'm going to be trading on US30 now, not NASDAQ. Thank you so much, Kicks.
Bonang, my brother. Happy birthday.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Glad to see you are back safely.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Chad, sorry man, we don't have another PC. I can't give you my analysis. I told you I'm just buying US30 for the entire day. So if you guys held onto that trade, you should be running around about 130 at the peak, 160 points. So very, very nice.
Alright, Chad, we have a full house here now. We might not, I don't know if Chris said we can't share his screen, but he will be here with us.
I will let you guys know if I take anything I'm looking at gold again, trading around that POC 3362. Keegs, and I might go long if it starts breaking above 3362. I don't know about you, what your bias is on
I
it.
said to them the same thing.
Really?
That grey block. So, Chad,
Yeah.
what Chris is saying, let's just have a look quickly on my screen. I'll show you guys. So, if we can break bullish, we kind of ranging around this area. If we can break back above here, I want to go long. Reason being is purely because the idea, this is our level. So for the first time when we traded bullish, we've always gone bullish. And when you guys look at even just to the side, there you can see this was a very, very big move that went all the way to the top side there. But what happened? We broke. We retested this level. We even tested it again. So for 8 hours, we traded around this level, testing it. And then this thing took off all the way up to 34. So this can be the move where if this does break back above, it can go bullish again. That's why we said we really are neutral, and it's just going to depend on what we do. But Chad, that is it. Markets are open. Round 4. Ding, 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 ding. Fight.
Oh, Chad.
I love it.
They doubted us.
I love it.
Keegs, they didn't believe in us, but God did.
Hey.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But we were buying from this morning, from the lows. People were saying, Chris, it's going down.
No. They must never go against the 2Gs. It has never happened anyway. You go against the 2Gs, you cry.
Chad, there you have it from the man himself. I said I'm just buying, Chad. I said...
Nice. Beautiful stuff. The market is driving very well. Check out my screen, Chris. Check out my screen on my birthday. Very, very smoothly. Very, very smooth.
Put it there.
Yeah. There we go.
Hey,
Now.
Very, very smooth.
Smooth. Hey, Chad.
Beautiful stuff. Beautiful stuff. We did it. We did this live just now. Now. Look at the mathematics hitting our TP now. Yo. Who trades against the 2Gs and survives? Who does that? That's a W. Happy birthday to me. And chat, I think I have shared this. This is what we call sharing life. I gave you something today.
True.
Here we are. And you know the 2Gs have been feeding you all the way from the morning. I came in with a bonus.
Just a little birthday present for the Chad.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The bonus.
So everyone should enjoy himself.
Hey, Chad.
Everyone should enjoy himself. Beautiful stuff there. Beautiful stuff.
How was your trip, my brother? Good?
Good, smoothly. Everything went well.
Hey, that's good. How was the flight back? All right?
All right, sir. Everything went well. The flight was good. Even the conference we had was very, very smooth. God was glorified throughout the whole weekend.
Hey, beautiful. That's what it's about.
Chad, you have a full house today. In honor of Banang's birthday. Banang, happy birthday, brother.
Thank you so much, sir.
Little flash giveaway, 25% off, code PFK, Prop Firm Killer. 25% off, ends today at midnight.
There we go.
PFA. All right,
No, PFK. PFK.
PFK, Prop Firm Killer. Mo, send me a flyer. Let me also share to my community as well. 25% is a huge discount. Very, very huge discount. One would not want to miss this one. Can you type, anyone typing that code on the thing?
I'm
on
doing
the chat.
it
Thank
now.
you so much. Thank you so much for that honor there. The good Lord bless you, 2Gs and Vault Funder. You know, Vault Funder is one of the prop firms that believed in me, you know. And West, they went beyond to bring me back into the community. I really appreciate. Really, really appreciate. PFK 25% discount. That's a giveaway to the community. Enjoy yourself.
Hey, there we go.
Oh God, nice. Do you see what's happening there? Do you see what's happening there?
That's the birthday presents there.
Enjoy yourself.
Morang coming back like he never left, Chad. Love it.
We
I
love it,
love it.
guys.
Beautiful stuff.
If you were
Beautiful.
watching,
That's a TP hit. Done.
Beautiful stuff there, Chad.
Smashed. What else are you looking for? Look at that, guys. Boom, boom, sorted. In. Can I see W's on the chart? Can I see W's on the chart? CW's on the chart. CW's on the chart.
Keeks,
Enjoy yourself.
Yeah.
did you show them what US30 was trying to do the entire day on US30 on the 1 minute? Just show
bro,
the chat.
the guys are fighting us.
Just show the chat there on the 1 minute. Iron 2K.
Just get it there quickly.
Beautiful. I enjoyed myself. 18K. 18 tap. So, thank God. 2Gs, I really appreciate you always. I missed you people. I missed you. I missed you.
Oh, you can't put it there on your phone.
No, bro, we're trying to close the cracker, yeah.
Oh, the crack attack.
US30 is done. I just love it. So for me, for the day, I'm sorted.
Chat,
I'm
so,
happy. It will be an embarrassment if we lose on my birthday. How? What was I born for?
so Iron
was born for
2000
wins.
first signal this morning 10:36 buy. Second signal 11:39 buy. Third signal 12:29. I think Keeks is gonna throw it on there in the 1 minute. So literally 5 signals and all of them, 3 of them, 4 of them hit TP4 and 1 of them hit TP3. It's about to go to TP4. Keeks, just show them there. I don't wanna.
Yeah.
I don't want to
Share this
embarrass.
For me, I'm done. For me, I'm done.
Just go back to this morning as
So
well.
let's have a look here, Chad.
Go back to the morning. Just show the guys.
My PC's just fighting for its life here. All right, Chad. So we're gonna see. So this was this morning. It looked for the buys, just TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4. Then it said, okay, no, let's get a second entry, and we went TP again, buy TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4, and then a third one again, just TP. So it has been on something here today, guys.
Iron 2K, but I wouldn't use it, Keeks, but you use it.
Bro, I like to use it every now and again, It's
But not always,
not all the time.
Okay.
You don't want to. We want to fight poverty a little bit longer. You don't want to just get out of it
okay.
straight away.
You don't want to nuke it immediately. Alright, no, that makes a lot of sense.
Chad, these things are just. It hates when there's a little birdie that told me you don't trade against the 2Gs.
Ooh.
And you know why we say that, Chad? We went to Cape Town. We had to just show up, show face, and we came back and we just carry on like we never left. We're gonna show you guys. We do all these things, but yet they still seem to work. Now let's just show you guys something here very, very quickly. At the same time, let's just check it is still on my screen. If you guys are a Project G member, we just want to show you what happened over here. So the cracker play today. If you trade the cracker looked for buys above here, buys below there, came into play, and there were the buys above. Bang, easy as you like, done and dusted, TP smashed. So even the cracker, as we said, the cracker never left, guys. There's nothing wrong. The cracker, it just works in silence now.
Chris, you are a good scammer. Hey, we scammed you guys with those bars this morning. Kept building, I'm smiling wide runner. Well done, Jared. Chad, that's what I said this morning, is I established my bias on the daily. I was building into my buy positions, and I said I'm happy to be wrong, but I'm not going to shift my bias for the day. Very simply put. There was a lot of factors that was playing into the bias. I showed you guys the daily that took the previous daily low. I showed you where we were trading at the daily low. We were trading at that daily flat body support area. And yeah, very, very well done. This week so far has been green all the way. So again, as always, we don't want to take any honor or glory for it. We just thank God that He's given us the ability, and just to stay humble even when you're winning, because you can very easily let the ego get the better of you and think you are all of this and that. So very, very nice trading this week so far. So if you've done well so far this week, that is what it's about.
Hey, quote me cracker. I've just ordered some humble pie. Hey, Brian, at least it's 60, bro. 60.
I thought it's changing the trading game in 90 days, or are you off that now?
No, we're still there, bro.
Are you still gonna change it?
25% discount. Profem Killer. PFK is a code. You enjoy yourself.
Get I held that bar because when I came back, it was so many ocean of blues. Hey.
Chris, jou eister. Nee, jy's 'n eister, champ.
Day 2 of 90. That's it, guys.
Jy's 'n eister, want Chad, I just give the ideas. You still pull your own trigger there. So well done to everyone that believed this morning.
That's it, the guys. You gotta have faith there.
Like a mustard seed, Keeks.
There you go. Now Chad, and there's still news coming up. There's still news that's going to drive volume. After that, the sneaky puff adder comes out. There's still a lot. You guys mustn't go anywhere. There's a lot that's going to happen here. Chad, and also just to keep it going on this roll here, we have locked in the next giveaway for you guys. But now that we have everything sorted, obviously last time was associating with it. This time, all we're asking is that you guys, unfortunately, you have to use this thing that keeps hitting stop losses. So all the active Iron 2000 users, you guys are the guys who will be valid for this giveaway. So just keep a look at the socials, and you guys are going to see what the next giveaway item is.
Can't do a TV and a PlayStation again, Chad. We got to save up some money.
I think, guys, hold on. I'm going to make a deal with Chris, okay? I'm going to make a deal with Chris.
Okay.
If we do some, like, crazy numbers, we will do something hectic for you guys. Now, when I say this is Chris and myself will come up with a number we can maybe look to, and we'll be transparent with it. Obviously
like
not showing, but something
maybe
like
a tag or
if we can hit like a proper number. Okay, we're not going to that level yet. Like, we will build up to that. But
I thought you said proper. Like,
okay.
The previous one is a PlayStation 5 and a Samsung TV. So you got to up it from there. So we got to go like a Carrera.
Hold on, Chad. Okay, let's be there as a community. As the community, what
would
you
be a
like?
sick, yo? What would be a sick giveaway?
Guys, don't come here with a Lambo and shit like this. Come
Yeah,
on. We also trying to get to that level. Let's be like, what are you guys wanting? An iPhone? Are you guys wanting a MacBook? Are you guys wanting the Devil? Hey, I'm also in a line here for the RS3. Do you guys want the tag? What are we talking here, guys? Do you want a weekend away that you guys can get the sneaky puff adder out? Like, what are you guys wanting to do here? You tell us. A drone, a laptop.
A drone.
I think a MacBook, iPhone, iPads, MacBook with a year trading view subscription. That's pretty cool.
That's
The only thing is to do that means we'd have to open it.
Yeah, we don't want to open it.
Yeah, we don't want to open it. Bogart, hey. 101 mentorships to be a great trader. Ooh,
We mentor you guys every single day, yeah.
A drone
These
for
are...
fishing.
Chad, you are literally with us live every single day. You've got access to us here every single day. We take our trades live with you. We share our analysis live with you. We share our bias with you.
To actually be fair, hold on. What I think we will do, we'll do a giveaway, and once a month from the active,
Fly somebody out again.
we will choose either someone can be flown out, or they can get, I'm going to just check the price in because it's obviously equivalent, the 6-month or the yearly Project G membership.
So that could be dope.
So you can either choose to come out, spend a day with us, or get, as I say, I'm just see the price here, what's equivalent, a 6-month or the yearly membership to Project G. So we'll do that as well, but then you still get the giveaway item.
It's all about sowing seeds, Chad. You can't expect a harvest if there's no seeds in the ground.
To be a part of the 24-hour stream, I definitely think we will have, when we do the 24-hour stream, we will make sure we actually have some guys present with us. That would actually be a pretty dope one. Like when we get close, Chad, like let's say when we're at like
we'll do
even 19k, we'll do a comp
giveaways
to get guys to fly out, and you'll spend literally the 24-hour stream with us.
Gold for me, not above that point of control.
Brian.
What is Brian? What is Brian saying? It?
I just want some screen time with my Brian.
Hey, Brian. Hey. Brian is naughty, man.
You guys doing great things for the trade community in South Africa. We appreciate it, my brother. How about a funded account for 100k challenge with 1-on-1 tutoring to reach funded account status? We can do that.
That's
a little,
also a
it's a little revamp of Project 5130.
Yeah.
Is Bonak sleeping?
No.
When you're making profits like that, you can sleep on the job. It doesn't matter. He sleeps and the money just keeps coming in. That's fun. Your trading robot. Unfortunately, we don't have a trading robot.
We are the robots that come here every single day. They feed us car oil and 8 mil nuts just to keep us in check.
Imagine that. Buy a GR86 and do a giveaway. Yo.
We will get to the stage where we're gonna give away. Imagine giving away an M3.
Bro, I'm sorry.
That would be sick.
The funny thing is, Ed's literally in the room right next door to us, and being like, "Bro, come outside. We put a bow on it. Everything. There's your blue GR86. Ed, we need you to MC the giveaway. We're giving this car away to one of the community."
Bro,
I think Ed's gonna fight anyone, bro.
Yeah, okay, let me show you something here on my screen. Just a quick one.
There you go, my brother.
With this kind of market structure, where the market is currently seated there, that's a resistance, right? And this market is likely going to melt down from that zone. Or, like I said, in the explanation that I did, I said we have an unfinished business all the way up. So there's a possibility that we break out there and shoot all the way up there. But the fact that we have reached our target as per the mathematics, we are sitting at a resistance zone, a very, it may be a strong one, all the way to the down. So what this may happen, it may mean the market from where it is sitting there, the market may do this hour. I'm just going to show you something. It may do this hour. From where the market is seated, we may melt all the way from there to the down. So if at all you are holding your trades, you would rather hold on break even. I hope this makes sense. So basically, this is what may happen. Market may fail to go up, and then as soon as the market fails to go up, it will dip in all the way to the down. So basically, let's just see how this may play out here now. I hope this makes sense. Remember, one, the criteria or the play out which we were expecting as per the mathematics is done. Now, therefore, anything can happen from there. At a resistance level, market may dip in with serious drop all the way to this key zone here. I hope this makes sense.
Chad, that's also your daily flip level. So if you go on the 5 there, Keeks, do me a favor on US30, just go on the 5.
What?
Mark out your daily flip level and just keep it on the 5 there. So where your daily flip is.
Here we go.
Alrighty.
Hold on.
Your daily flip. Yeah, just put your daily flip on there.
Okay, that little dotted line, guys, that's the daily flip.
Okay. So, Chad, what I think myself and Bonang is looking at here is if we close below that daily flip, there is a very high potential that that is acting as a resistance. But if we are holding above that daily flip, remember what I said this morning, everything that we've done up until now could have been the build up for the breakout. Okay, so remember the daily zone, the flat body resistance area we've got. 40, just mark out there, kicks 42,400.
42,400.
Yeah, that is where I'm potentially expecting price to go. 42,400. So another 80 points to the upside. But this 5 minute is going to be critical. It closed below now.
Yeah. The big thing for me, guys, is remember, sorry, Chris, in my breakdown, I said to you guys, that was it there. Previous daily high. We broke it, closed back in. Same thing they say now, it's the daily flips a little bit further down. If this does confirm and it breaks, because right now it's just holding Asia highs. If Asia highs break, then I think this thing's going bearish. So I think, as the guys are saying, there's a very, very crucial area at that daily flip right now.
Yeah, yeah.
Daily flip and Asia highs basically at the same spot. Make men's of Ed Chad will sell it to you at half price. I'm not against fraud. Gold is going down, good, loving it. Hey, what is gold doing? Let's have a look here. Oof, it really is going, Chad, and we were waiting for it, but I was locked in on US study, so this unfortunately we missed. But yesterday
what time is the news coming out?
4 o'clock.
Ooh, 9 minutes.
It's gonna be like now. I don't know how I feel about that.
I might wait for the news.
Some killer.
If that news comes out.
Discount. Go ahead, sir.
Oh, sorry, my brother. If that news does come out like they're expecting, then we're definitely going to see the sell-off.
Yes, I want to go short now, but I'm just too scared I ruin a very good day.
Yeah, bro, we up on that other account, so I don't need to.
Yeah, I know. I'm not gonna be. It was a very good day.
Just so we can prove to people we can also trade other than FTMO.
Oh my goodness, Kigo.
Hey, bro, we making moves there.
Daily flip is acting as a resistance chat, so. Keeks, go on a 2 minute. There's an inverse fair value gap I'm potentially monitoring.
Oh boy. Check it out. This is literally the first time I wanted a 2 minute.
Okay, mark the fair value gap.
We're talking from there to there.
Yeah. So if that 2 minute candle now closes below that block,
we need that sound that says cuckoo, cuckoo for execution.
That PC is in, Bonang. We broke it. The TP's got smashed too hard, so they're gonna they're gonna fix it for us. No, but it's really in there. There was remember the sound issue we had. So we expected something maybe on the motherboard. So we're just getting it fixed. So then the sounds will be back, hopefully before the end of the week.
But hold on. I just want to check if I'm correct. So typical RCT, wouldn't you be wanting to see a rejection from here and then this?
No. Remember, we're going inverse. So we are fading the ICT traders.
But that's an RCT concept.
No, not the inverse one. The inverse one is an anti-RCT concept.
I was about to say, does RCT have a concept that fades its own concept?
Yeah.
So I think we have to also put the mathematics concept so that we know we have a blueprint that is clean and clear here. I think this ICT thing is very popular. So the math has to be. The math has to be, obviously. I mean, look at it. Since the 2Gs were trading here, when did we go wrong? 1 + 1 = TP. Yeah, I'm telling you. We have to profile this.
Guys aren't ready.
We're fading RCT traders. Chad, you guys don't hear it, but all
No. Sorry that your fair value gap a little bit down, that wick.
The wick.
Yeah, you check that little wick there before that big move. Just pull your box in line.
Oh, you wanted to that one?
Yeah, let me just see.
Yeah. There.
Yeah, perfect. Kicks, there you've got it. Nice. Just need like a dollar sign somewhere, just to show where the liquidity is.
Where is that like little emoji thing?
Once you've got that in a trend line with dollar signs on top of it, you in, bro. They will accept you as one of their own. They will nourish you. They will. You'll almost be like a young lion cub.
I'm gonna find it, bro. Watch me.
That was taken into the tribe. They're
Just
like,
imagine.
Kicks is one of us. Yay, Kiko. ICT.
It's the money move, guys. Now stack it, Keegs.
Wait, where did Keegan put his liquidity?
Wait, what?
Your dollar signs?
In the box.
Nah, bro, you can see you can see you're ICT new, bro.
Chad, you guys genuinely think I'm not joking when I always say to you guys, I never look.
They're not gonna accept you if you put your liquidity there, Keeks. They're gonna know you're not part of the tribe. He's a fake, guys. We're not accepting him. Delete him off the group. Damn, Keeks.
Just added me to both TVs hit on yesterday, like Chris. Think about it, if you get an ICT trade to send you signals and you fade them, you're in a Ferrari after a week. But like a surprise, I had a sell on gold where there were 255-minute candles that closed under the daily pivot, but got a small.
Bro, but where did you get that emoji that's got color? Don't tell me you got it on.
Don't you worry.
Bro, where did you get that? Mine's usually just one color and it's chalk.
That's the VVV IP group.
No, man, that'd be that guy. Where did you get it?
It's the VVV IP group.
There by the text. Damn, bro. Now you've taught me something else here again. Wait, I don't have it. Content. Wait, where did you click? Let me see again.
I'm gonna check it there.
Wait, where did you click?
This thing's gonna be flying now.
Let me see where you got that. Show me again. Oh, that face. But I don't have it, bro. How did you get that face there?
I don't know. It's always been there.
Huh?
It's always been there, bro.
Waiting for 90 days straight. Congratulations. Enjoy yourself.
Keeks, I don't have it, bro.
Hey, bro, I told you it's a VVVIP group. You joking, yeah, bro? But meanwhile, me and the RCT traders are close. You're the one on the outside.
Bro, oh yeah, Keeks, I've got it, my G. Yo, why have I been using that MS DOS emojis? Yo, these are some lacquer ones in here. Damn, that's gonna really up my charting game and the chart hygiene as well.
Never seen a grown man froth for emojis.
Hey, Chad, you guys know I like a good chart. You guys know I like to keep that chart hygiene.
This one is my favorite. This emoji on my screen there.
Wait, let's see.
If it grabs the market goes down. You see?
Hey, the wolf.
Yeah, you see
Chad.
Where it's seated there.
Okay, Keeks, I'm getting ready to short you.
On US City.
Yeah, there's that inverse fair value gap.
Oh boy, bro, there's a part of me I'm like, are you joking again, yeah? Or?
No, I'm serious, bro. I've been trading these methods. Are you entering with me?
Hold on.
Stops just above the inverse fair value gap. All right. If it's a little too far away, what you can do is you can wait. Wait, but again, I can't take it though.
Why?
We literally gonna
You'll
enter
see
on the
in a
news,
second.
and then let's say you enter and you want to put your stop, you get wrecked. So no.
No.
So it is valid though, or you can put a sell limit on the box. But there's the.
I'm just gonna go with. I'm not going to. You should have already been in the cells, Cribbo.
Who says that?
Rooks.
Oh, from the daily flip. No,
For
Rixie.
me, yeah, if you check from where this market dropped from, that's a break even already. The dip in the distance that we went down with is the same distance that we went up with.
There you go, guys. Now we're really changing the game. Day 2 of 90, and now we have emojis with RCT unreal scenes. Told you guys.
There we go.
Globex,
Oh.
me telling you. Not actually. Globex isn't valid yet. Oh, let's see, chat. What did the markets come out as?
Okay, I entered a sell on that box, geek. Stops just
Indeed.
above.
Ooh, massive bullish move. From a 719 expected 711 came out at 739. Big push to the upside. This is where we're gonna
What the news?
Yeah.
I entered short, geeks. Just pull there on that box. Stops just above.
Above the box.
No, so I entered where it touched the box.
Oh.
Yeah, short, and then stops literally just above there, yeah. And then I'm targeting a 1 to 2. Are you on a 2-minute time frame? That's
Yeah.
the ICT time frame, yeah.
Yeah.
Right
Where did
there.
they come with 2 minutes?
It's. You'll still see it. What did you put there? ICT trade.
Cribbo trade.
Bro, you said we must launch new products, so
That's
the
it,
ICT
bro.
game.
I've been providing, yeah. I got my new one that's...
No, I know, but I'm
marketing,
saying. You
Hey,
got it?
Chris,
Yes,
I have a prop firm here asking me this. Should I read it for you?
you can.
Good day. We trust you are well. As part of our regular KYC update process, we are in process of confirming some details on your profile. Kindly provide a brief description of the source of your funds along with any relevant supporting documents, e.g.
Is this a broker or prop firm?
It's a prop firm.
No, they shouldn't ask you for proof of funds because you're not depositing with them. You're buying a product from them. But I'll chat to you. I'll chat to you after stream. No prop firm should ever ask you. That's more fixed stuff.
I see.
Yeah.
Is it because I'm winning?
It's. I'll help you. We can chat afterwards.
All right, thank you, sir.
Hey, bro.
The thing is,
That's it.
we can target the ICT traders now as well.
You busy? You're winning, yeah?
I am. I told you, bruv. I'm trading the 2-minute ICT.
Implementer
Enjoy
would be proud.
yourself.
You guys thought I was joking with the inverse. Remember, I taught Michael Adelson before he went on a tangent. He was one of my best students, bro. Michael Adelson was one of my best students before he lost the plot.
The question is, what made him lose the plot?
Ego.
Ego, alright.
Yeah.
The serious question, bro, is so if he's the market maker,
Yeah.
but he learned from you, are you not the OG market maker?
I'm actually the liquidity.
Is it like a thing of like you guys passed the torch on or something?
I was the liquidity keys. That's actually what happened.
I'll see.
But if I get clapped here, it's RCT's fault. This was a concept he taught me.
We'll be in tears.
Chris, tell us when you go BE, please, so we can sell. He needs to get back to BE if he's going to.
Oh, I might get choked here, Chad. ICT choked us.
Nah, still paying ICT inverse Cribbo trades. And that works.
What's that? Doing the opposite.
RCT, inverse cribbo trades. USD gold still going bearish. Alright.
Yo, Chris, thank you. You made me 700 today, and my lady 4K from those buys this morning. Enjoy yourself.
Who's that?
Dollars. Hey, $4K dollars.
Who's that?
Gareth.
Hey, Gareth, you legend. Beautiful, beautiful, Gareth. We try our best. We don't always get it right, but we are grateful when we do. All right, Chad, once we re-break those 2-minute lows that we've created, that's when I'll go break even. ICT inverse cribbo trades. Hey, bro. I only saw it now. Brilliant. The inverse cribbo trade methods.
I think this thing can maybe play out. Gold looks good for buys at 33.25 on 1 hour chart at support area. Alright.
33. Oof. 33.25. Oh yeah. Yo, gold. Mo and them smiling. Mo is
My
older.
only thing is that Nas is very bullish. So is USD going to play catch up?
It could.
I don't even want to talk about gold though. Gold
It
is,
could.
Guys, I was literally in gold at 33.53.8 and I got a break even. And now it's running. Leave gold to me. Brian, hold on. Brian, what do you actually trade though?
Gold. He's
I
the.
don't know, but I mean, does he also trade RCT?
No, he trades the $5 grids. Oh yeah, you went in last week.
Like
So
I've heard
I
in the past,
asked him, where did he see the gold, the $5 gold grids? And he's like, unfortunately, yeah.
Unfortunately.
So we've had. That's why Brian still sticks around. It's like the boys gave me something I can use.
No, RCT gets like a bag. Hey, so it's just Plameda that trades RCT.
Bro, you guys can't give Plamena shit if this thing hits a 1 to 2, eh? All I'm
Hey, bro,
saying.
my trade hit TP.
All I'm saying is you guys can't give
Well,
Plamena.
this is only a 58 pip trade. I took 60 pips.
You guys can't give Plamena shit if this thing hits a 1 to 2. Alright?
Bro.
I'm just saying, Keeks, tell the chat to go break even there.
Chad, you guys go break even.
Just draw the break even there. Okay. So you guys better put some respect on Plamena's name. Brian, clip that and send it to her. Okay.
Bro, he just...
You better put some respect on Plamena's name. Bro, I told you, you gotta put respect. I'm out, Chad. That's me. That is me. Enjoy yourself, Chad. You can't say we didn't feed you. Woohoo! Kigo, what did
even when we want to lose, we can't. Like,
hey, you guys better put some respect.
No W's.
the guys don't want to see W's. Yeah, their wallet is like, okay, thank you, but we don't want to acknowledge it. We all against ICT.
I see.
It is asking, do you guys have accounts or are you just watching?
He's saying you guys just hit a TP. You guys can go buy some accounts.
There we go.
Enjoy yourself.
Okay, Keeks, I'm putting it out there. I'm playing golf on Friday morning. I hope you don't mind. I'll stream in the afternoon. Because you were eating sushi out of smoking bowls and last
Because
week.
you forced me to go, bro.
How did I force you to
Chris
go,
was like,
bro?
I want to chill, yeah. I don't want to sit on a plane. I don't want to do this. So Keegan, you
Okay,
gotta
wait,
go.
Keeks, will you give me off on Friday morning?
Can Ed sub in?
What?
I don't know. No, Friday should be good. Friday should be good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Just the morning.
Yeah, Friday.
I'll be back the afternoon.
Chad, I promise you the one day we catch this man. This is not a word of a lie, I promise you. The man messages me in the evening. He goes, Keys, can you stream tomorrow morning? So I'm like, yo, what's up? He says, no, bro, I just got to sort some stuff out. So I'm like, okay, cool, no problem. He comes in, like the afternoon. No one knows where Chris is. Even Kate, like, he's his PA, and I'm just like, he told me he's got to sort some stuff out. So we're like, oh, okay, cool. He gets in the afternoon. All chill, stuff like that, everything's fine. Does he not tell the girls to go get something out of his car? So now we're outside, we get something out of his car, and we're like, Chris, why is your golf clubs in the car? Oh, there's a tong bag with clothes in the car. And then I look at him, I'm like, you bastard. I know where you were this morning.
Bro, but things had to get sorted out on the greens, bro. Hey. But now the chat is asking, when are you moving to Port Elizabeth?
There's an office there ready for me. I'm
Yeah.
coming soon.
Hey, but
Same
I'm
as-
going to be here for 20K.
I think if I'm to move there should be a very good. What do you call it? Is it a conference or whatever? I should be welcomed with big guys who are ready to kill you estate.
Hey. There we go. There we
It
go.
should be big, not small.
There we go.
But don't worry, we know Mo's already got a room set up for you.
Yeah, yes sir. So, but I know I'm available. No, there's nothing really keeping me much here in Pretoria. All I do is to trade.
No, you must calm down, my brother.
Yo, but
Yes sir.
what flippin' church thing was this you were at, my brother?
The what?
The church thing you were at.
Yeah, we are still pushing it, but now we are
Then
running on
he's
a-
asking about when you were in Zimna over the weekend. He's asking what conference was it?
Chad, I don't know if for you that have Bonang on socials, I go the one night and I check this man's socials. He's at a church event, but this thing looks like it's a freaking ultra festival.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The church was big and busy. You know, there are people over 60,000 attendance there.
Chad,
So,
that's not a word of a lie. I promise you. Like, there was a lot of people. Like, I can honestly believe there were
Yeah.
60,000 there.
Because you will see, I will send you the videos. There were more people inside another shed that side. That place is big. So
That was
I had-
crazy.
Yeah, it was very busy, and the church was a very, very massive one. It was called a Big Sunday, and we really did the work of God there. God was really glorified, and we were with the big guys there, man of God. I mean, people who can fill stadiums, even FNB Stadium. If that man comes down here, he will fill the stadium. So, that was a very good place to be.
Right, there we go. Woo! Woo! Flamena, I told him they better put some respect on your name. I told him.
But man, the thing is, this was a cribbo trade. The RCT, the what's the name?
The inverse Kribo trades.
The inverse cribbo trades.
Just put the inverse Kribo trade.
Yeah.
Flamena, I told him they better put some respect on your name. You guys can't give Flamena shit for trading this. Nah, at least I know Flamena's off my case. Now it's only Miles left.
Yeah, she's off mine as well. Miles, he needs,
No,
he needs
Miles.
to figure it out, bro.
Yo, Miles is gonna have to put in a shift, my bro. Flamena's gonna go for that, man.
He must figure that one out. We all have to get through it. It's part of the. It's part of
No,
the
we out,
process.
bro. We in the clear now. We in the clear, yeah.
Hey.
We have now been accepted as one of them. Geeks. Now when you go to the ICT conferences, they're like, one of us.
Oh, Miles is done. Oh boy. Temp up gang be winning.
No, so that affects Keegan. I can't share my screen. These trades, weirdly enough. So let me put it this way. Keeks, quickly go on the 15-minute.
Bro, so hold on. So an inverse fair value gap actually is an ICT concept just for future references.
Okay.
So he's got a concept that contradicts his other concept.
Yeah, but he's got a lot of. Quickly go on the 15 there, Keeks.
What?
Quickly go on the 15 there. Okay. Just that 15-minute breakout. Quickly draw a resistance level there.
On the top.
No, to the left. That little support. That little.
This,
Yeah. Just draw a resistance line across there.
A resistance line, okay.
You can even go on the 5-minute. Like a little zone. Shit, it's tough.
Are we doing a zone or a line?
No, zone. Do a zone. So effectively, all that an inverse fair value gap is, it's technically a fake out back into the range. So if you go on your 5-minute there, you'll see that exactly what we talk about the ranges is that if you fail the breakout and you close back inside of the range, where do we expect price to go? We expect price to go to the next range low. So Keeks, draw another zone on the 5-minute, that left zone, that lower zone.
Yeah.
Down, left. There. Draw a zone across. So you would expect as a minimum for price to just fill out that range. So you could have traded that using the inverse fair value gap if that is how you perceive the market. You could have traded that with the break back into the zone. You could have traded it with a sell limit like I did. Once it closed back in, that retest, expecting it to hold. Your stop loss is also technically just above the previous 5-minute high. So we all trade the same thing, Chad. We don't have to fight about it. If you want to look at it from an ICT perspective, beautiful. If you want to look at it from a support and resistance perspective, beautiful. There's no need to fight about what concept you use. We love all traders.
This stuff just hurts my brain, bro. That just hurts my brain.
Mm-hmm.
Jared, that's what I'm telling you. I spoke to a Connect. Jared sent me a message. I'm even willing to not necessarily get a Daytona, even if it's a Submariner or the Oyster Perpetual. If you can, Jared, if you can organize one for me, you will be an absolute ledge.
How old are you talking here?
What's that?
Like old, like the watch, like brand new.
No, new. I want to buy it from. What? Do you have a Connect?
I might.
New from a Rolex dealer. Sticker price.
I think I'll check with the person.
Okay, check. I know my brother's never going to give me one of these assignments. He takes them. It's like when they phone him, it's like, send a shot.
Yeah, no, Rix, I'm going to forget that by the time we literally end the stream. I'll already forget all of it.
Jared, but okay, but just make like a little like preempted. Otherwise, they'll be like, no, we don't know Jared Rieder. It's like, no, Jared, my friend from streams. No, Jared said the scammer's gonna phone you. So just do like a little preemptive engineering there for me.
I can get you one that looks real. Chris, your trade for this morning play out so well. Are you just looking for the sweep of Asia and the volume indicator pivot?
Jason, remember this morning we spoke about Asia highs and we spoke about that daily flip level. So in essence, exactly what we spoke about. If we can't get through the daily flip, that daily flip becomes a support and resistance level. So it's either going to act as a resistance or it's going to act as a support. So in this case, it acted as a resistance. So you close out. And even if you close out there, you made a solid gain. You can look for the re-entry once it holds back above the daily flip. So I don't know if you were in this morning stream, but we did quite a nice deep dive on it. Okay, Keys, I've got that contractor coming to my house. I need to shoot. Chad, beautiful. Bonang, I will see you tomorrow morning, my brother. Hope you have an awesome rest of your birthday.
All right. Thank you so much.
Awesome to have you back, my brother. We missed you as well. I believe that Chad missed you as well.
Thank you so much.
But Chad, I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Same place, same time. Peace and love, baby. Cheers.
Yes.
What are you gonna shoot the contract? Show my brother. That's it, bro. Yeah, 90-day plan, bro. Changing the industry.
I print a copy for you as well.
Yeah, we'll have our teams meeting tonight. Alright, guys. Sorry, I'm busy just getting up the content. We've been pushing a bit hard lately. Hope you guys enjoy the content though.
Don't forget PFK for 25% discount on any Vault Bundle challenge.
Ah, don't miss it, guys. If you sleep in when you realize it's gonna be gone.
Yeah. PFK, Prop Firm Killer. Nice. I love that one. Every time you have a code, please use that one.
Hey, here we go.
Nice. Now these ones are requesting source of income. If I say I made money from Forex, what are they going to do?
I have no clue, my brother. I think just send Chris a message because I don't know what they need. They don't need that for anything.
I see. Who is trading NASDAQ? Let me show you where NASDAQ is going here.
There you go. It's on your screen now, my brother.
So NASDAQ is coming here, guys. Yeah. Right here. This is where NASDAQ is coming. That's 21642.51. That's where the market is going there. So basically, we took these trades early in the morning. So we took them somewhere here. Very, very clean. Still pushing up all the way there. Some were asking, what's the stop loss? I said, we don't use stop losses. Just look at how the market turn all the way. So that's how this market is going to end, like right there. And then as of US 30, well, on US 30 still expecting a weakening point, but one would have really enjoyed. I mean, if I'm doing what I always do, this would be have been a sell, take profit, buy, take profit again, sell again, then go down. So basically, this is it. It's a winning trade altogether. This is where Chris took his profit. You can see in the distance as well that this market paid twice. Buy, win, sell, win. smooth. Still expecting a rejection all the way to the down in that zone, which may not materialize. We shall see.
Come on, brother. Oh, guys, that's pretty much it. Honestly, Chad, not much else we're going to be looking for. But now I know that is everything through you guys. Chad, unfortunately, market's not really doing much, not volume coming in here. I'm not going to try to force something. We obviously had 2 great trades come in there so far. The inverse Cribbo trade. We had Bonang's beautiful TP here this morning. I just see now Bonang's camera disappeared.
It should be internet.
Yeah, it's back. And yeah, Bonang, I think we pretty much can wrap up the New York session, my brother. Any closing remarks from you?
For me is make sure you subscribe to the 2Gs and stick around for more money in 2025. We are in a half of 2025. Let's expect more. And by December, please just have a proper trading plan. Though it's not a financial advice, have proper trading plan so that by December, you are not drinking water throughout. Enjoy yourself.
There we go. All right, guys, then going back to it over here for you. Just having a look there quickly. The Iron 2K, what it did. Beautiful bars here today. Bars again. Third time bars. You had the ICT move. The Cracker caught this bar move as well. So every single aspect absolutely winning here today. Please note again, guys, we have literally chosen the next giveaway item we're going to be doing. We're only get feedback for the next one for you guys, but we do have the next item there. So again, keep in mind for this now, you just need to be an active Iron 2K trader. Again, we hate it, but we want you guys to have to unfortunately use this trader, which makes you money, and it's just cackwad, guys. It's just stop loss after stop loss after stop loss. But unfortunately, that's just how it goes. But Bonang, thanks for joining us today, my brother, making time for us for the chat, especially on your birthday. It shows the commitment. But I hope you enjoy the rest of it and have a blessed day, my brother.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for having me as well.
And then the chat to you guys, as always, as we get ready to wrap it up. Thank you guys for always jumping in. Before you guys leave, please drop a like. I'm sure you guys can easily get those likes to 150. Don't forget to use code PFK for 25% off on all challenges at Vault Thunder. Again, in honor of our brother here. And then, Chad, we're going to see you guys same place, same time tomorrow. As always, take care of yourselves, take care of each other. Peace and love, baby. Cheers, Chad.
Salute.
show you